When something goes wrong with the device, customers call support. But agents are often trying to fix a problem they can't see. They can't point to the right menu. They can't tell the customer exactly where to look. And even simple fixes take longer than they should, leading to frustrated customers and longer calls. Qelp changes that. The dedicated device simulators let agents see exactly what the customer sees and guide them through the process. Agents can navigate the customer's device in real time. No more guessing, no more, "Can you describe what you see?" And beyond the simulator, agents have access to step-by-step tutorials, visual walkthroughs, and support videos, all in one place. Agents can also share an interactive tutorial directly with the customer, by email or text, so they can follow the steps at their own pace, on any device. From TVs and smartphones to home appliances and medical devices, Qelp supports a wide range of products across brands and industries. The results speak for themselves. Customers get answers faster. Agents help more people in less time. And with an 85% resolution rate, support works the way it should. Interactive self-service experiences, keeping brand promises, in the moments that matter. That's what Qelp can do for you.